Hey there, Calculus fans. I'm Dr. Andy Lovelace. I've worked at the University of Washington for over 20 years, taught a lot of students, and I'm not actually teaching Math 124 this term, but I'm trying to start to collect videos that will help our students study better. And since videos and YouTube seems to resonate well with students, I hope that I can help in this way. I've taught here for so long, and often the focus is on grades and other frustrating things. And there's a lot of joy in mathematics. There should be joy in learning. And I'm trying to help students see that we're trying to help and trying to bring myself more joy. So I don't know that I will make these videos for every exam. I hope over the years ahead I will. I'm trying to bring together old exam questions, organize my materials. I have a lot of materials. And it's been wonderful working with so many great students for so many years, and this is a way, I think, for me to give back. I'm about to hold a review session tomorrow for the first time on Zoom with students that aren't in any of my classes. Now, you have wonderful instructors this term. I'm not trying to step on their toes. They're going to have review sessions. Theirs take priority over anything I do, but I hope this gives you an extra place to get help, and I hope through talking to me, I can get some more ideas to help more students in the future. I'm going to make a short series here where I talk about these 4 topics. I flipped through a whole bunch of some of my old exams, some other instructors' old exams, and I think most of the questions, 90%, 95% of the questions fit into one of these 4 categories. So I've grabbed a bunch of examples and I'll talk about them. My focus is going to be how to start problems, what are the ideas, some of the details I may not compute just for time. If I make a small mistake, arithmetic mistake, let's not worry about it. You can tell me in the comments. I'm sure someone will. But I'm going to do a little less checking and just talk about ideas. I hope that's of value to you, and that'll allow me to say more things. Okay, so before I leave this video, I want to say if you search Andrew Lovelace or Andy Lovelace, of all the Andy Lovelace in the world, I have the biggest website. Currently, I'm teaching Math 112, which is somewhat related, but not that much. But you can click on Math 124 materials. Now, my Math 124 materials are a little older because I just haven't taught it for a couple years. I have taught the course many times. I think your best bet would be these materials on the right. You can see I pretty much kind of make a review sheet every few days. These ones down here are of particular interest to students in the beginning of Math 124. I have a limit strategy, 30 limit problems and solutions, continuity practice. These kind of theoretical things I've made kind of specific review sheets for, derivatives, how you use derivatives, tangent lines. So if you find you're needing help in one of those situations, go check that out. Okay, so let's hop back here. So I'm going to stop this. If this is helpful to you, give me a like or subscribe and check out the rest of my YouTube channel. I'm not doing this as a business venture. I'm doing it just to give myself an opportunity to share fun things I've encountered in math. I want students to study whatever subject they're interested in. I hope at the University of Washington you're finding your own path. It may or may not involve math, but I want to show you some of the fun things in math away from these calculus courses. So I'm trying to, if you have questions or ideas or things you've heard about, you don't have to wait for an upper level course. Ask me, and I might make a video that covers it to show you some of the fun things in learning besides just trying to get a high grade or whatever. So I hope you know where I'm coming from. All right, I'm going to start in a moment.